welcome to the in San Juan. As we take a look at the starting six for both teams, Ella De Jesus will see some action today in the starting lineup in the place of Phil Cainglet, while the old reliables ni Coach Sherwin Meneses are on the floor, starting six ng Lady Falcons.
And we mentioned earlier, Eric, that Phil, although not in the starting lineup here in the arena, she's actually on the bench. She's wearing her uniform. She has her gear on. So we know the process of recovery would take some time, but it's very important for Phil to be here with the team during games, be in uniform para when she's ready to come back, she doesn't, he's gonna feel at ease na parang hindi rin siya nawala. No? And I'm sure she's getting therapy going on at the moment, and probably in the next week or so, we're gonna see her play again.
I was thinking maybe was it even a scare tactic ng Ateneo, just putting her in uniform just so, you know, Adamson will think that she may be available to see some action even in limited minutes, as both teams throw away their first serves, thereby giving each other the first points of the game.
The match between these two in the first round took 5 sets to decide. And I think we shouldn't expect anything less from the way that Adamson has been playing. Of course, Ateneo, sabi mo nga, ayaw nila magpaiwan ng gusto dito sa De La Salle. Because they swept the first, almost swept the first round until that De La Salle game.
And Phil's replacement today contributing right away. The first point of Ateneo, or second point of Ateneo via that block by Ella De Jesus. Let's check in now with Kat Salaw.
If there's one thing I can assure the Adamson fans, it's that the Lady Falcons feel no intimidation at all coming into this game. And even if the scenario was the Falcons were to face a still undefeated Ateneo for their first game this round, these Adamson girls are unfazed. In fact, they are so excited for this matchup. Advantage that Ateneo tasted the loss, but the Falcons are out to give them one more serving. In their words, bawing-bawi na kami sa Ateneo. As Mayat said, mental preparedness is the biggest factor in this match. I asked the girls what else they feel they need to bring with them on the court, and they all agreed that focus is the magic word. To always be mindful of their individual obligations when in play. I also asked the Lady Falcons what could be their way to motivate each other when things get heated, and well, their secret to keeping positive, their random funny facial expressions. So besides the scoring performance, we should also watch out for one of those Adamson Lady Falcon funny faces that they'll surely shoot to each other today. Eric and Ian?
All right, thanks, Kat. I'll keep my eye out on the funny faces, that's for sure. But obviously the action is what the fans have come here to watch, and people watching on Studio 23 have opened their TV sets up to see. Alyssa Valdez, 2 straight points here in set number 1, dismantling what is known as one of the most impenetrable defenses in the UAAP's volleyball tournament.
Alyssa Valdez, first time attacking from the back row. After that, sa harap na siya ngayon, attacking and hitting it off the block. So really, she can have so many weapons to use against you if you have blockers in front of Alyssa.
And after a poor start by Ateneo, they're on a roll now. They're up by 4-6-2 as we check in with Selena Dagdag.
When I spoke to Coach Roger earlier, surprisingly, he deemed our loss against the De La Salle Lady Spikers in a very positive light. Sabi niya pa nga, buti nang natalo tayo sapagkat sobrang bigat at sobrang laki ng pressure ng puro panalo pa tayo. As the second round begins, Coach Roger wants to make sure we capitalize on being a complete team and we develop our serving and receiving skills. Lastly, he wants to make sure that our mistakes will not be repeated. As he puts it, okay nang matalo ng maaga, basta wag lang sa championships. Eric and Ian.
All right, thank you, Selena. Well, how heavy is the pressure of, you know, not losing a game? Well, we'll hang on to that answer of yours, Doc Ian, as we take our first technical timeout here. 8-2 Ateneo on top by 6 against Adamson in set number 1.